Hello friends and family. Stopped in Foss, Oklahoma, which has an interesting background according to these plaques. Organized in 1900 and built in 1902. The Baptist church was built. One member objected when a saloon owner wanted to donate money, and the other member said it was better to use the money for the church than for the devil, so the money was accepted. The stone used was quarried from the Foss bell tower that was dismantled. Temple building was built in the early 1900s as well. It existed 80 years before it was burned. The city has quite a history. I mean, they started a school when families banded together, starting in 1892 when they arrived, and 1900 the school was being held at various locations, and a two-story building was erected just near the Baptist church and expanded to 6 rooms. The town is named after the postmaster. But it has quite a tragic history, as you can see from here. Town was about a year old when in 1902 a flood wiped out 35 homes and drowned 9 people. So the town was built back north of the railroad and on higher ground. But again, August 25th in 1908, a fire destroyed almost an entire block of the business community. Then again, in 1909, another fire destroyed many of the buildings. Population peaked in 1930 when approximately 1,600 people lived here. But then again, with the Dust Bowl and Depression of the 30s and World War II, migration of the area was out, and only one bank stayed until 1977. Till we meet again, God bless you and the settlers of this town.